What is up, guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use the AI manga filter and how to find it on TikTok. So first thing first, you gotta make sure your TikTok is updated so that you have the latest version. And when you open TikTok, you see this search bar and you search for AI manga filter. And when your TikTok is updated, it shows the filter right here, and there you can use it. So when you click on use this effect, and when you upload a random picture, it is doing the AI design for you. This one didn't turn out as good as other ones, but you can try yourself by just searching for AI manga filter on TikTok. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.